All right, today we're gonna bring a Wavemaker, and this is a really powerful Wavemaker. If you have a large aquarium and you want to make sure you get natural waves, this is perfect. Now, this thing has a little weight on it. All right, it has a remote on it. So this remote's very simple. It's for lighting up this. It's a light sensors, and then it's also from A to all the way to C, and then night mode and off and on, in different levels of actual control. We're actually going to test it out and to see how really powerful it is. We're going to see a couple of shots from different angles. So let's go ahead and test this out. Let's put it together. All right, we're going to do this one. Like about this one, it has a magnet. You know, you see that? Magnetic. So this is magnetic, adjustable. All right. But today we're going to test it out underwater. Put it underwater. I'm going to see if I could show you guys underwater a little bit and then show you from my perspective. We got the motor here. Turn it down a little bit more. Wavemaker, really powerful. Now let's turn it up a little bit higher. That's the highest we go. Feeding mode. You got feed mode. Let's try the modes. Different modes. I'm gonna bring it up a little bit up. Good. Look at the modes. Another mode.